If you look at this video, it says Elijah up there. Pretty sure it's Elijah. Pretty sure it's not pronounced Elijah. Anyway, this is the location where this photo was taken. And you can add this or have this added to all your photos and videos automatically. Not this location, but the GPS location of your phone at the time of the video recording or photo creation can be added to the photo so you know where every photo was taken, which is a pretty cool feature. If this does not happen automatically on your phone, there's a setting in your privacy settings to allow it. So if we go back to the home screen, go to our settings, this is the main settings page, find the privacy and security tab, open that, tap on location services, scroll down to camera, and this one we're going to want to have set to while using the app. This means that the location of the phone is used to tag where photos and videos are taken, which improves photo search and memories. And you can have precise location turned on or off. This allows apps to use your specific location. With this setting off, apps can only determine your approximate location. So I imagine that would be, if it's on, they know exactly which corner of the street you're on. But if it's off, maybe they know where you are within a block or in which city or something like that. I haven't actually tested this. But if you want precise location, turn this toggle on or off if you want just a general location. And then once you have that set, all your photos and videos will be automatically tagged with the location info in here. And if you're making lots of photos and videos like I do, you're going to want more space on your phone. There's a pretty simple way to get more space, which I show right here in this video. It's emptying the trash cans on your phone. So if you need more space, check out that video. And if you like this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.